Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a TesiraCONNECT Audio Expander and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this basically for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this unit not connecting, or if it's not working, or if it's just kind of lagging, not responding, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you're going to need to set things up again, which is the second reason you might want to do this. If you're just trying to set this up on a new network and a new system, hard reset is a good step to do before you do that, just to get everything cleared out. It's real easy to do. With power to it, we're just going to come and we're going to find this reset button, which is right next to the power jack. And you might need a paper clip or a pencil or something like that to get in there and push it. And you just want to push and hold that recessed reset button for at least 10 seconds and then release it. Now, once you release it, just wait a few seconds and the reset will begin after a few seconds. And then let it complete its reset process, and then you can set it up. All the IP address and everything will reset to the default address, and you can just set it up as a new device.